Yeah, about you. Hey, what's up, guys? Good morning, good afternoon, chop the morning, chop the morning, chop the morning. So this day today, it's a fine good morning right here, and today we are actually with a big machine, Masai Ferguson. For those who read another book called is it the News or what? That guy who used to have this kind of machines, Masai Ferguson. So today we are with Masai Ferguson, and today we are here and we want to do what we call like do some plowing, and agriculture or farming is one of the best and greatest ways. So, and we also always say agriculture is the backbone of mother nature. So good morning, good afternoon, good evening, it depends on the place you're watching us from. So on today's video is another special video, guys. I'm shooting this video deep in the village East Africa, Kenya. And on this other end, what I'm trying to do is please ensure subscribe if it's your very first time, and like, share, and leave us with a comment down below. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about this. And today of time, because most people are doing what we call like using animals. Like the other side, I was using animals to do what we call like to farm, but this time we are out of time. The time is so much limited. It's like this, and we don't want to get out of time because it's planting season and people have already plowed. If you just point your camera this way, you see people have already plowed, some have already planted, some are now weeding. So without, because of some little stories up and downs. And of course, thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate your love and support for the biggest support of my sister to go to school. She joined school, now they are waiting for announcing and everything. So the funds that I received, this for accommodation, and really appreciate for that. May Almighty God bless you for those who really supported. And yeah, so with me, CJ, I decided to come major in farming because now I saw most people are criticizing and some were asking a good question. If today we support you, for this year, maybe, in which I received around $350. So they asked, if today we support you at this time, what if for the next 4 years or for the next 3 years, what would you do? So with me, I'm trying to venture into agriculture so that I can do little support to my family, and also catering my own needs. Sometimes right now YouTube, I can't complain because whatever I used to get, not what I'm getting right now. So I have to push. And through this, I really love for you to do what you call like to subscribe kindly, and also watch the video, watch the ads, because that's where we get something small. So today I'll be sharing with you how we are using this machine, and yeah, how we are using this big machine to do what you call like to do farming around here. And also this side is another land far away from my other previous land, where I'll be sharing with you how we are doing some spraying. So the other time we tested what we call like we are having watermelons, and we're also going to plant maybe capsicums and beetroot. But for now, here we are just focusing on what we have. So we have the big dereva. Let me show you the big dereva. Hey, the big dereva. Hey, the big dereva want to do something. So today, hey, and you look alike. You're matching.
So today I'm the one who's going to be driving you and digging your place for you.
Hey.
Yes.
Hey guys, look at this farmer. Hey farmer. No, don't pump for now. Hey farmer, I see you farmer.
I'd really want to know how to ride this thing and drive it. Yeah, because as farmers now, we need to, showcase our prowess as a farmer now. So we want to want to farm here. Want to put maize and beans, I think. Yeah, it's a relatively big space.
Yeah.
Because now there's a lot we need to do.
Yeah.
We have to put more efforts into getting more money.
Guys, for sure, to support my sister and everyone and my family.
Yeah.
So actually, I don't know if you read some comments how people, by that time you were at my mother-in-law's place, and she was not around. Oh no, I receive a lot of backlash.
It's
Please,
okay.
please,
Yo,
guys,
listen.
stop attacking me, guys.
No,
Please,
no. It's
stop.
not even about
Stop
that.
attacking even my family. You know, sometimes there are people who have faint hearts, in which even you tell them something like that, they can go and commit suicide.
No,
And
you see now.
yes.
By now, we're
Yeah.
used to those insults. Me, by now, nothing scares me in this world. You just let's focus. As long as you know you've not stolen from anyone, you've not taken anyone, and you're not lying, you know, that's okay. And if we had a way, we would have done it. But it also, it's not like they subscribe to.
Yeah.
We're asking for those who can maybe chip in and help.
Yeah, for
And
sure.
whatever help we got, we are very grateful.
Yeah, very.
So let's focus on making more money, and hopefully in future we will not be here talking about help anymore.
Yeah.
I know God will open a way, so don't be discouraged, don't feel bad. It's okay, you know, it's
No.
okay.
You know, most of the
Even
people.
me, I saw someone attacking me, I got a stray bullet. Oh, the moment you leave that old woman, you will look, no, we don't care. Old or young, as long as we are happy and content with what we're doing, you know, we focus. Don't feel so bad about it. I know you feel bad when someone
I felt bad. Even somebody just trying, because me, I never wronged someone. They are the same people who wronged me. Not me, I wronged some, because I found myself being talked. I found myself people sending me links. You're being talked about. You're being
Someone is
trashed.
attacking
Yeah,
you
somebody's
somewhere.
attacking you. What did you do wrong? I did nothing. So somebody tried to comment down that if you reconcile with someone, I'll send you 100 euros. Oh
No,
my
you don't
God.
have to send that. If you have
I know the people who can send that to me through just like I say, this is a support for you. Not like you have to command so that I can do
go
it.
back and
I'm
help,
sorry
and
for
because
that.
someone will help
No.
you. No, you don't.
Me, I'm not in bad terms with anyone.
Yeah, we don't.
I'm not
do
in
that.
bad terms with anyone. Even if I meet you today and you backtrash me, I just greet you and tell you it's good, as long as I know there's
Don't
nothing
worry.
wrong I did.
That's
So
that's nothing.
yeah, let's focus on this, guys. Today we are.
Actually, me, I intend one day to own this thing.
Oh, you intend to own this?
I want to own this.
We will buy. Don't
I
worry.
want to own this.
We will buy.
So guys, I don't know if the driver will allow me to show you how I can use
The
the thing.
her prowess. Don't.
I think I can.
Don't.
Let's wait for him.
Yes.
But thank you so much. We want to plant maize, so we'll take you through the process.
Absolutely, guys.
Yeah.
Let's try and see what's happening around and share with you what's going on around. So here we're having this big machine. Actually, some days we'll own such kind of machines.
I want to own
You know, these ones are very, very, very good and better, because by doing this, it will be best and best. Masai Ferguson. Did you read that book, babe?
what?
Did you read that book?
Which book?
The one, there are some stories like in high schools where a guy called Majnun used to own this kind of machines.
I don't think I did.
Massey Ferguson. You know this, you have different types of these machines. Like this is JX55T case 3. So we have what we call like Massey Ferguson. That's what the first
Massey
company.
Ferguson,
Yeah, first company.
company.
We
It's
have
an American company.
yeah, we have John Deere. So there's a lot of this
Yeah,
company.
different types.
There are different types of these
I want to
machines.
own something like this,
Uh-huh.
and this. I think it feels good when you're on it. You know, when you're driving this,
You have-
you feel like you've made it in life.
You have no idea how this thing bounce like ding 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 ding. You have no idea. It bounces like ding ding ding
Okay.
ding. Yeah.
So
So
yeah.
let's-
So guys, the driver is coming. Let's take you through it.
let me show you how we are prying. Okay.
Yeah.
See you guys. Agriculture is the backbone of nature.
Yeah.
And let's plant here something. We see what we can get. We'll
Okay.
be sharing with you.
Okay.
All right, guys.
Simama hapo mbele.
Wacha tu. So Freddy.
Yes, how are you?
How are you? Hey, this man with the beards. I am Mahiri Junior. How are you? Mahiri Junior.
I'm good, man.
Yes.
I thank God
Yes.
for the gift of life.
Uh-huh.
Not easy.
Not easy, man. So today you are here full farmer.
I'm here, food farmer.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
How is everything?
Everything is cool.
Been long time.
Yeah, a long time, man. Want to see how
Father.
farming, bro. Farming.
Farming is good.
Yeah. So let's try and see how everything is.
But you must spend.
Yeah, we must spend farming. Oh my God. Let's try and see what's happening. And hey. There you go. Hey, Masai Ferguson, I see you. Okay, go. Hey, guys. Wow. Let me show you how it's doing. Yeah. Downtown. Look. Hey. Hey, this tinga bro, it's not a joke. It's going good. Eh? We can plant.
We can plant.
Okay. I'm saying it's going very bad, but well, they have gone. Alright guys, let them come back. That's how you see how stuffs are. It's around here in the village. The big machine in the village. So let's try and see what's happening actually. Well, and you know, this one funny thing is, guys, these things are not in our place right here. These people come from very far. Anu wakale, si ndio na Wamasai? They are Kalenjins. Just imagine these people are Kalenjins, guys. So they come from very far to come and do this. Actually, this is a very good business. Some days we'll own this, you know, and then we can be doing this through farming on our own, you know. Yeah, they are coming. The jembe is not easy. The jembe is just beating 2-3 and it's gone. What's your experience?
It's a joke. Like it's shaking me.
That's the experience.
But by the time we're at the corner, I felt like I was going to fall down because it shakes you and it makes you feel like you're weak.
You feel dizzy.
I couldn't wait until we get to this point so that I can get down. But guys, from my mouth to God's ears, I want to own that thing because it feels so nice to just have it and do it, like dig it.
Maybe I wanted you to
And
go.
then the transformation it makes immediately here, it's just like so unbelievable. I love it.
Yeah, I wanted you to go up so that you can like, have the experience.
So it was shaking, dancing.
Guys, in Africa we seem to
I was dancing
kililia wembe mpe. So I wanted her to be given that wembe. So if the child cry for laser blade, just give it to her. So the moment you cut her or him, you understand that this is a bad nini.
Yeah, so I don't know. But
she came here when she's like
I was excited about doing it, but I'm still excited. I still am. So guys, we are now farmers officially. Are you officially a farmer? Do you want to be a farmer?
A farmer, yeah. A farmer is better than.
No.
A farmer is better.
It's a farmer.
It's a debate. It's a debate that you used to
in high school, primary.
Yeah, it's a debate that you used to.
A farmer is better than a teacher. A farmer is better than a lawyer. A farmer is better than blah blah blah. So we want to experiment that, and we'll give you feedback after maybe at the end of this year, so that we can tell you did we reap what we sowed.
That used to be what we call like a debate in high school, and also I'm very sorry, Manny. I'm very sorry, Manny, because we debated that. Money, somebody with money is not better than I don't know who. So we debated, and there was the first person opposing that person with no money, with no money is better than a person with money.
Farming is enjoyable.
Yeah, let's somebody's calling me, let me check. This is how you see it, guys. It's crazy. Let me show you how it's going. Yeah, so guys, this is what you see around here today. It's a very nice land actually. So over here, the only thing that we are waiting for is just to buy seeds and put people here, and you'll see what will be growing around here. And for now, that's what you see. So it's heading to land number 2 up there. Yeah, so yeah guys, that's what you see. So from here I want to be taking you to our dreamland, and we'll be sharing with you what will be happening. So because we're going to do some spraying of some chemical or pesticides, and yeah, and also doing some more so that watermelon can get ripe. Because the other time I went to try one, the one you saw on this video, on the previous video, and we got very not okay. So I was advised to use some of to wait for its time and then apply some little chemical that will help in the ripening of the watermelon. So from here I'll be taking you there and we'll be seeing how everything will be. So yeah, let's go there and check on how stuff will be. All right, okay. Yeah, so guys, I'm at the farm here and I'm here with some tools and mixing what you call like this one. It's called algae. It's called magical. It's more of calcium. This day to day, wanna be doing what you call like spraying what you call like this calcium on the watermelons so that they can it can stimulate the ripening of the watermelon. So that's it. So from the other side, hey, the time now it's almost noon. I haven't even taken tea. It's busy. The other day I was transplanting what you call like sukuma wiki. Those are kales. Those are the suckers of kales. Small all the way. So we have been transplanting them, and also I'll show you down there how we have been working on them. Yeah, so that's it. So keep on watching and let me just spray and then I'll share with you how everything is around here. You know, it's working. Busy. Okay. Yeah, so guys, right now as you see, I'm with the baby at the back. So I've already sprayed, but a good Samaritan came to help me around to fill him even because I was alone. And my wife went home to breastfeed baby Maria. To breastfeed baby Maria, so I have to do it on my own. And also we had some yeah, those they call them mandagere for the Kisi people. With us we call them vitondogos. They were not here. I think because of maybe villagers have been putting them.
Yeah, it's pure.
Yeah, so we are here. I've been spraying the other lot, so I want just to spray this side also. Because you see we have some watermelons. I think someone stole my watermelon. It was here, big one.
Where's the
nini?
Yeah.
It's here. I think somebody stole it.
Yeah, the space.
So let me show you. It was around here. There's the one that I harvested over here.
That space can be seen, which is
Yeah,
over there.
but somebody stole it from here. So guys, I'm doing this, just spraying small. So because the watermelons are bigger, but they are not yet ripe. So we want to make them, because I was told for you to make them ripe at this point, they're ripe naturally, but you have to stimulate them. I'm telling you, somebody was on the farm, but I don't know if you just see it. Because I've been seeing a lot of my watermelons have been scattered.
Someone comes after you leave.
Yeah.
Panya akitoka paka akitoka panya utawa.
So somebody has been like, I don't know. You know, sometimes in the village, look even this place.
Yeah. I was to ask you, are you the one who did this?
No, I'm not the one.
Someone.
Somebody is always coming here. When I leave, I don't know, but anyway.
You know that one, like spraying the watermelon, because after this there's another round again, the other watermelons are coming.
Yeah.
Wow.
So you know this one, I have to do it, spray.
So what you can do on the issue about the watermelon theft, at least the neighbors, let them know.
Yeah, I always warn them. I always warn them that you know, if you do this, I have cameras on top, so they always know me, I'm Freemason. So maybe they don't dare.
Or you can put one on guard.
Yeah, but no, don't put one on guard. If you put the same person, maybe a neighbor here to guard, the same people will be allowing me to.
Now he'll be like free to come.
Yeah, but when they always know me, I'm Freemason, so they know I have a satellite up here. So maybe that one is a kid who was just trying to do this. But if they see
not a kid,
or it's anywhere here, they'll you just warn him.
Okay.
Yeah, don't dare going.
Don't step there.
Don't step there, you die.
Die.
They will say they will die, you die.
Ragwe.
You know, the camera you here, Sarah. Hey, look here, guys. Now this is what disturbs me a lot.
Oh,
Like
so what
this one,
is the main problem?
yeah, so it disturbs me. But I just go buy an electric one again. Because this one,
And look for a better one.
look for a better one that will help us do this farm faster.
Exactly.
No, I haven't even rested. Kimbia. From one farm to another.
You have many farms. Was that other one which I saw there yours?
Yeah, that one is for a friend.
Okay.
But from here also I'm going there to help because he's not around.
Okay.
So I'll help.
All right.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm just trying to prepare it
Okay.
for more commercial things coming.
Okay.
And also,
This one was.
this one got spoiled because
Okay.
of one. There's some rodents that take this.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
Shout out.
So behind the screen, Claude was like, "Hey, shout out." Behind the screen is Pablo Jr. We just met. It's magical. I can say it's magical. We met by by magic. Alright, so there is Pablo Jr. on YouTube, and the Jr. is JNR. Thanks for always supporting Claude Joseph. He's a good guy. I remember you saying he's a Pablo Jr. is a good guy.
He's a good guy. You remember saying? Yeah. He's just a neighbor here.
Yeah,
We pass, just say hi.
exactly.
And we are here.
You know, I do love nature. I always love to pass inside
through
nature.
nature.
Yeah, through nature.
That's how life is.
Dog, you know.
Dogom.
Exactly. So on YouTube, you can check me out, subscribe on my channel. I've got amazing videos, very great videos. So get tuned to see the whole process of the village epic stories, and very amazing videos are always on my channel. So get tuned as we get the best and amazing stories with Claude Joseph here.
Yeah, very nice and great. Pole.
Pole.
Very easy. So
Exactly.
yeah, slowly. And that's how we are doing it. You know, some here are just hidden.
Yeah, they're hidden.
Yeah. So lazima uyachokore ndani kabisa. Just like that.
Just like that.
And just like that, we are almost ready. So this is the last one.
Oh.
So
I've been watching it.
this watermelons.
I've been watching with a Kenyan man.
You know, it's actually. Have you ever seen somebody growing watermelons around here?
It's very rare. I remember one old grandma. He's my grandfather.
Yeah. Once grew this watermelon.
Like 10 years ago. That is Ngiracha's father.
Oh, 10 years ago.
Not even. Yeah.
It's so many years.
Not 10. Like 15 years ago. He used to. He was the one who could plant.
This kind of, you know, they are hard work.
And
Actually,
we could be stealing him.
That's right here. Hey. You see this thing now again?
You know that was okay because he was my grandfather. So
So always grandchildren must do.
hey.
I understand that scenario. Yeah.
We are going and taking a smaller one.
With me here, if you steal and I get you.
So you don't have a grandchild.
No, if you steal me and I get you here. If you stealing, you know what I'll do? I'll subject you to work. I'll make sure I'm not working. You work. Work. Eh?
Have you never stolen your grandfather something?
I don't have a grandfather.
Oh.
A grandfather, maybe grandmother.
Have you ever?
So she used to prepare what we call like busa. You know, busa is a local liquor.
Yeah.
But it's like porridge.
Yeah.
Cannot make you get drunk.
Yeah.
So the moment she's selling outside, with us we are busy.
Inside.
Stealing and adding sugar. Stealing, adding sugar.
That is normal.
So she was like, I've just left like 3 kgs, like, you know, so like 2 kgs is like 2 liters. I've just left like 2 liters here of liquor. Where is it?
Where is it? Claude Joseph.
With us we have already eaten, drunk. We have added sugar. Very good porridge. So the only problem is
He'll discover.
You start to hallucinate like 2 hours later.
And there is where he discovers.
Yeah, that's very great. Kumbe jina muliba. But it's very good. So like here, if we're doing this, all watermelons get ripe. Oh man, this can help me, can push me maybe even to put more and more.
So what's the cost of a watermelon like this one? Let's say
That one small like this when it's in the market. Let me say if I'll do it wholesale. I'll just bring a person to buy from the farm. I'll be doing, it goes with kgs.
Yeah.
So like 1 kg goes to 25 Kenyan shillings.
Okay.
So like for example, this can weigh up to, let me say 4 kgs or 5 kgs.
All right.
So by that, if this one gets to 25 kg per kg, me I'll do 20. So 5 bob for the
seller.
For the seller.
And how about a villager now comes?
Now a villager comes, we do it manually. $1, half a dollar, $50.
Naangalia na macho. Just look. Look
but
with eyes.
But you know very well that these things are very expensive.
Yeah,
here.
they are expensive.
Because most of them comes from Tanzania.
Yeah, because there's one trick which I can tell you. What they do, you see, before you spray here, with the line here, the way it passes, they go these lines. Here, 20 bob. 20
Yeah,
bob. 20 bob. That is the trick of selling it. That is how they know the price.
Okay, so they count.
Yeah, have you ever known that?
No, I haven't. I've never known.
That is the trick.
I always know that it's always go with kgs.
No, not locally. Do that. If you want to sell locally,
you count
just
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Already that is 100.
So
6,
7, 8, 9, and then now you reduce the price a
Reduce
bit.
the price.
That is what you do.
That's what I've done the trick now.
Yeah, the sellers. So for you, you just not balance locally.
I'll tell you now I'm doing it for the villager. So I'll just balance you like 2 or 3.
Yeah, you just count it and you're like. So sir, if it's 160, nipe. Mia 20. Guys, mia 20 is $1.
It's $1. 100. $1.
Yeah, it's $1.
Almost $1.
Yeah.
So yesterday I was doing what you call like planting of yeah. So
suckers.
I was doing some planting of suckers. Some of the skumas, like this one never grow old.
It never.
It's timeless.
That one can go over 10 years.
Yeah. So if you want it to grow well, you have to reduce the suckers. So like yesterday I was reducing this to put it over here. So some days you'll see this already.
They'll be growing very
growing
old.
Here like crazy. We'll be selling
like
so
crazy.
Now we want some skuma wiki.
And this one are very sweet.
Yeah, this one called it Nyavisai.
Nyavisai. Very sweet. There was a man who had them very, very, very big one.
Him?
Mayani.
Mayani.
A katikista.
Oh, had a lot of this one.
Had sometimes back.
Okay. Yeah, katikista. Yeah, we used to go there when we used to grow tobacco. To check us and we could go and help him farm.
Exactly. So like you growing watermelon?
Yeah, me I'm growing watermelon right now. And I just want to do more. You see even like down here. I'm just putting them. Down here I've already prepared land. So this is early preparation.
Okay.
So here I'll plant maybe half of them I'll plant capsicum. No, 2 of them I'll plant capsicums. That's hoho. And 3 I'll plant what we call like beetroot. And the remaining one I focus on watermelon.
And beetroot is expensive as well.
Beetroot, yeah, one beetroot goes almost $50.
It's good.
Yeah,
it's
one
really.
beetroot. So just like that, guys, we are done. And now, good for me now to start again on it's Kaida's farm. So just like that.
Oh, okay.
It's good.
All right, nice one.
Yeah, so guys, I had to come back home after a long day, and there was something that I was working on. Just look at my hands. Oh, look at my hands. Oh my god, look at even this place. I've been scratched, but anyway, it's a life of building the nation. And of course, look what I was doing, guys. This day I was improvising something over here. Yeah, you want to say hi? Say hello. Hi. How are you? How are you? Even you, dog, you want to say hi, dog? Dog want to say hi, dog. Soothe want to say hi. Soothe want to bite my cheek. Hey, say who are you, baby? Baby Cheyenne. Say baby Cheyenne.
Baby Cheyenne.
Yeah. Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Love you.
Love you.
Okay, go play, okay? They're just going there to play that camera. So, sometimes when they come, just once and then I think even when Maria will reach that kind of the age, it will be better. So please rate me out of out of 10. This is what I was working on. This is what you have seen, guys. It has already even injured me. I was doing this alone over here with what you call, like, I had an idea of creating a gate like this, but let me know in the comment section. Actually, tomorrow I'll show you the full video about how this gate is. It's made from wooden gate. Actually, it's a wooden gate. It's a wooden gate. So this is what you see, and this is what I just improvised to make it look very neat. It's only that the guy who I sent to bring me the timbers were kinda not very straight, but I had to work on it. So trying to bend them, nailing them until I got this thing. Because I told you our home is full of nature. I just don't want to do what we call, like, destroy other stuffs, because right there I'm doing what we call, like, have a project of brick project, the one that you make and then you build. So I want just to make it homely. When even you come, you have to knock, because there's been so much open, and no need of putting a wall right now, because I won't even build my own house, is stuck. So I had just to do what we call, like, to buy some posts and put some barbed wire just to enclose. And then you know, when you enclose the home, it looks like a home. So right here, if you come with your car, it's just like one pepe, somebody can go in and open the door for you. So tomorrow I'll actually share with you how the full painting, and also let me start knowing which is the best color to paint on the gate like this. A gate like this, I would love it to be this wooden, and maybe I can paint it black on this side, varnished black, and then I paint white here, or I can paint it white, and then on this rod I can paint it white. So let me know in the comment section. Please comment down below which is the best paint I can paint here. You know, some pay a visit at my place, you'll be very much okay with this kind of gate, even top security, and there are dogs there. So yeah, that's how it is. I want to say thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate your love and support. We are just building the nation. It's slowly by slowly. So me from the land going to another land, coming back, still this one needs to be plowed. We would like to plant here, because we want to plant here some different variety, because this land has been exhausted by planting maize. Come one season, come second season, since I was young, it's only maize. So I told my parents not to plow anything here until I do what we call, like, I'll just improvise it and plow it, and then plant maybe something different from maybe maize. Yeah, so for now we have a gate, and this is what you see. It's a wooden gate. And with me, always I say thank you so much a million times, guys, because whenever you watch our videos, that's where we get something actually to also do this. So it's always life in the village, and this is what I'm sharing with you. Be blessed all, and remember to subscribe. We are on the road to 30,000 subscribers. Show some love, because if you subscribe today, and you share maybe this video with a friend, I'm telling you guys, we'll be somewhere very much important, and somewhere very much okay. Road to 30,000 subscribers. May Almighty God bless you all. Thank you a million times, and bye guys. Bye, love you. See you next video.